Bennett at Downeast Creations in the small town of Millbridge, located along the Bold Coast of Maine. And this week I'm still working on my miter saw station, and in this video you'll see how I built all of the drawers and installed them. And next week I will do the draw fronts and make the draw pulls. And I'll also have those installed. And that will conclude the bottom section of the miter saw station. After that I'll be working on the small cabinets and drawers that will go on the top section. I have free drawings available for the drawers if anybody wants them, but they're very simple. They're just butt jointed drawers with pocket hole screw joinery, a little bit of glue and screws for the plywood bottoms. That's it, nothing fancy. And the dimensions are really whatever you want them to be if you build your own cabinets. So you'd have to adjust the width and the height of the drawer and the depth and so forth. But I'll do a drawing just to indicate how they went together. If you want them, they'll be available for free download. I just wanted to say that it looks like we're probably going to have the 500 subscriber drawing pretty soon, because I just checked the total and I'm up to 496 subscribers. So maybe by the time I post this, or within a day or so, it looks like I'll be holding the drawing. So the next video of that will be coming very shortly. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please give it a thumbs up if you will, and I'd appreciate it if you share it with your friends. And as I build more subscribers, I will continue to do my random drawing giveaways. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. Here we go.